Welcome to the first episode of Season 4 of Improv Theater. I'm your host, the Weirdo of Weirdos, and tonight's story is about toxic environments. We open on Jeremy, a little boy with the most wondrous talent. A talent that has gathered many people far and wide to gawk at the most wondrous things Jeremy can do. Unfortunately, this has also brought him the attention of his father. A sad, sad man whose only chance at success in his life is to ride the coattails of his son so that he can, at least for a little bit, stroke his fragile ego. So now Jeremy is trapped with the horrible fate of being nothing more than a bauble, a trinket, something to tout in front of all those who would come and see and perform on the behest of his greedy father. What is he to do? He has only one choice. Well, he's got several choices, really. He can tell someone, and they can hopefully tell child services and have them deal with this whole situation. But this is a fictional thing made up on the spot, so he really has only one choice. He must go out there into the dark rain. The dark, brooding world that is nothing but storms and sadness. Will he survive? Will he survive?
Because you look so fine and really love me.
I may have forgot how the song goes. Welcome to the Improv Collective! Tonight you'll be seeing Itis, my team, Orange County's longest running long form team. What that means is tonight we'll be getting one suggestion from you, the audience, and we'll be doing about 20-25 minute set with that. And then after us, I'm not joking, these guys are so ridiculous. Big self, dude, I always forget how tired I get dancing. I need an inhaler for the stage. Anyone bring what do they call it, albuterol? No one?
What is that?
It's for people like me. So after us is an amazing team called Big Selfie, and what they do is they tell real life stories, and they'll be at about 25 minutes to they talk about their real lives and they do sketches on that. And then tonight we have an aftermath. That's a free show, a couple minutes after our last show, and that's Moons Over Miami doing a video game long form, right? Woo! That'll be super fun. First things first, let me get my teammate out here.
Yeah.
Everyone, can we slow clap in Pearson Higgin?
We have such good rhythm.
Someone's good. Faster. 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 That was the whitest clapping I've ever heard. Good to see you, old friend. We've been playing together for about 9 years now.
Yeah, it seems interminable, doesn't it?
It does. I don't know what that means, but you knew that. Right? Use those words. So we're gonna be doing whatever we want today. So we're just gonna get, we're gonna practice. We're gonna warm up the audience a little bit. So let's do this.
Oh, man.
So sorry. We'll split it down this way.
Oh, yeah, great.
Just gonna go this way. Thanks for helping. Right there.
Rob, be careful. My pregnant wife is back.
I dodged her on purpose. She's immortal. All right, so this section right here, and right when you were this tall, hold it. And when you're this tall, what was the dream job? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
I want to be a cowgirl.
Solid. Cowgirl different. What'd you say, sir?
Ryder.
A writer. And you?
Giraffe. No, that's fair. That counts.
It's not fair, nor does it count.
They sleep only 2 hours a night. That's amazing. They have 7 vertebrae in their neck, and that's it. That's a lot of information.
I forget how smart you are. You read.
I just know a lot about giraffes.
Now this did you move? Hold up. You were over there when I split.
Here the entire time.
Uh-huh. Yeah, something sketchy going on. Because that doesn't make sense. I did a split right.
Isn't that weird? I mean,
So from this section here with weird sketchy guy in it, on the count of 3,
You're my hero, weird sketchy guy.
on that note, you're the worst superhero you can think of. Either a don't say it yet. Either a famous one or a minute one you know about on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Dr. What'd you say?
It's an apple tree man.
Is that a real one? Did you make that up? All right. Sketchy guy? You know, I'm anti-Ant-Man too, so you're back on my good side. Thank you. Not the anti-Ant-Man. Now, weird audience members, can you please move your chairs back? This is super up. And finally, before we get started, this section here, this big section here, on the count of 3, something you find beautiful.
Oh, yay.
Chris is trying to say himself.
Got him! 1, 2, 3.
beef jerky.
What?
Like the beach.
Roses.
Roses. I thought they said something else. I heard hoses, to be honest. I said elephant. What?
Elephants.
Elephant. You and giraffe guys should hang out. Get a trip to Africa. Awesome. So that's what happens. Is we get suggestions from you, the audience. I'm taking them more than too much of your time. So me and Piers are going to get a suggestion, and then we're going to make up crap for half an hour or 20 minutes.
That's a long time.
That's just way too long. 10 minutes.
Yeah.
3.
Let's do 3.
It's about 9 seconds. You there?
Yeah.
Hi. Yeah. What is the greatest thing to you when you're about 7 years old? What was the greatest thing?
Oh shit.
Oh wow.
Talent shows?
Talent shows. Talent shows.
Okay.
Talent shows. Our suggestion is talent shows. Guys, this is Itis. After a warm round of applause!
My name's Patrick, and I'm here to perform my talent. I'm going to impersonate all of the charismatic megafauna of the continent of Africa. Only the charismatic ones.
Wow, I'm gonna score this kid at a 1.
Okay.
Really a 1? He's far.
This is the elephant. This is the mighty African elephant.
Oh.
Stop killing my people! Okay.
Preach, brother, preach!
This is the mighty wildebeest. Lions don't belong in this valley! And we will step on your head! Thank you, those are all the charismatic megaphones.
Jeremy, I can't believe you won. You're an inspiration to the whole family.
Yeah, pretty great.
You're gonna go on to regionals, then who knows, maybe nationals.
Whoa, regionals? That's like Temecula,
Yeah.
Bakersfield.
No one counts Bakersfield.
I don't know. They've got guys up there that can impersonate yo-yos and.
Listen. The family has faith in you.
What?
We have to.
Really?
We have to, but you need new material.
Oh no.
You can't keep
no,
doing
no,
it.
No.
Look at me. Look. Get that gum out of your mouth. You can do this. The whole family quit their jobs to go on the road and take care of you.
Oh, that's a lot of pressure for a 7-year-old.
You know what? You're not 6 anymore.
Oh,
In the back seat, Jeremy.
oh yeah, that's where I am. I'm here in the. Whoa! And we are moving. And there is a cactus going past. I've never been this far from home.
We're not going back home because you can't lose.
Look, Dad, I think there's a lot riding on this, and I am ill prepared for it.
It's okay, big brother.
That seems
Big brother, I think
Oh.
I think you're real special.
Oh, Jimmy.
Big brother,
That's right, Jimmy. Encourage him. Encourage him, Jimmy.
you're the most important thing in my life.
Oh, boy.
You really are.
Look,
And your failure is just a failure in my mind forever.
Way to stick to the script, Jimmy. Way to stick to the script.
Dad, I'd like to get out.
Mom's asleep.
Oh. Dad, I would like to get out of the car. I have to pee/run away. Just the first one, though, I mean, but forget the. I'm gonna. I always buckle up for safety.
They don't let me wear seatbelts. They don't care as much.
Stuck to the seat then.
Yeah. It's that gum you've been chewing. You spit it out earlier.
I gave it to you. It's in your mouth.
Now here's the thing.
Remember that from the last time we had a conversation.
You know,
Yes.
if you don't want to be a part of this family,
Okay.
pee the talent shows,
Yeah.
then you can leave.
Oh.
Go out of that world.
I'm gonna do that. Thanks. Oh, it's wet outside. Oh,
Yeah, how's the real world?
how's the real world? It's cold.
Yeah, it gets colder. It gets colder.
Oh, boy. This is very uncomfortable. I don't like this at all.
You mean so much to me.
Thank you.
You're my whole inspiration.
That's still very much pressure. Still 7. I'm gonna leave now.
Goodbye.
Okay.
You know I'm gonna train up your little brother to take your place.
Okay.
He can do impersonations too.
I'm sorry that you all quit your jobs for this. I don't
When the night is calm and peaceful, loving hearts are all in tune. There's 2 lonesome people in the whole wide world. That's me and the man in the moon. When the little birds are nesting and I listen to them croon, there's 2 lonesome people in the whole wide world. That's me and the man in the moon. Just before I'm counting sheep, through my window he comes to peep, and with each other we're sympathizing, looking at the happy sweethearts while they sit around and spoon. There's 2 lonesome people in the whole wide world. That's me and the man in the moon.